Hi, I'm attorney Roscoe Mutz, and welcome to the Financial Literacy Project, an educational video series presented by the American Bar Association Tort, Trial, and Insurance Practice Section and Thomson Reuters. In the next 5 segments, we'll be discussing the importance of banking, understanding credit, the differences between banks and credit unions, digital banking, and cybersecurity. But before we begin, please remember as you work your way through the Financial Literacy Project modules that the information provided is for educational and informational purposes only. That means that the information in these video segments is not meant to be legal, tax, financial, or investment advice for any specific circumstances, and does not create a client relationship between you and any of the attorneys or the financial professionals presenting the information. In our first segment, we're going to discuss the importance of banking. So let's hear from our first presenter, Herman.
My name is Herman Hicks, and I am a Vice President and Relationship Manager for First Horizon Bank. And I am pleased to talk to you today about why banking matters and understanding the difference between unbanked and underbanked. A relationship with the bank is the basis of forming your financial journey through life. Whether you want to buy a car, purchase a home, or anything else related to finances, a bank is the place to start. A safe, affordable bank account can be accessed from almost any mainstream financial institution and allow for bill payment, creating savings, and building a financial future. According to the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, which insures all deposits at a bank, there are many reasons consumers lack a basic transaction account, including not having enough money for the minimum balance, distrust of financial institutions, high or unpredictable fees, or identification, credit, or banking history problems. Many Americans are driven to use expensive alternative financial services, including check cashers, payday lenders, and pawn shops that charge high fees for financial services that fail to help people get ahead. Without a checking account, families wind up paying too much for basic financial transactions and have difficulty building savings and assets. Using check cashers may seem more convenient than having a checking account at a bank, but these services cost much more. Check cashing stores charge up to 2% of your check just to cash it. If you're cashing a $250 check, it would cost you $5. Cashing 2 checks a month with the check cashing company will cost you 5 times more in fees than having a checking account at a bank or a credit union. If you purchase money orders often, the costs for those add up as well. Close to 5% of all U.S. households, approximately 12 million adults, are unbanked, meaning they do not have checking or savings accounts. Almost 11% of U.S. households, approximately 24 million adults, are underbanked, meaning they still use some fringe financial services. Also, nearly 34% of unbanked and 45% of underbanked households earn less than $30,000 per year. Nationally, 48% of Black households and 42% of Hispanic households are unbanked or underbanked, compared to less than 14% of white households. Without an account at a bank or credit union to keep your money safe, you and your family could easily lose your money to theft or fire. Money deposited into a bank or credit union is protected by the federal government and is insured by the FDIC. In fact, up to $250,000 of your money is protected. With a checking account or savings account, you can deposit your checks and access your money for little or no cost. You can pay bills with checks on the internet or by direct debit for much less than you can buy money orders for those payments. You can use your debit card to make purchases at stores or to withdraw money from the ATMs across the city. You can also keep track of your spending and your purchases either online, by phone, at the ATM, or at the bank or credit union teller. Setting up a traditional checking account with a direct deposit and auto pay for bills provides security and cost savings to pay recurring bills. Setting up auto draft for a savings account also allows you to develop an emergency fund to take care of unexpected expenses. We've covered intro to banking, unbanked versus underbanked. What's next? Understanding credit, tips to boost your credit score, budgeting, and investing.
Congratulations, you've completed the Banking Matters module for the Financial Literacy Project. Knowledge is power, so be sure to share this module with your friends, family, or anyone else in the community who might benefit from it. Empowering ourselves changes our lives, but empowering others changes our communities.